Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and share your screen on Google Meets from phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply now start our video. For that matter, first of all, access your particular Google Meet on your phone. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can find this kind of interface, right? So simply gonna go ahead, join a particular meeting that you already have, or tap on this new and tap on this create a new meeting and simply create a one. So we will go ahead, join our previous one. Once we are joining, we can find this kind of interface, right? We're going to tap on this three dot icon given beside below right corner, and now it will show you this option called share screen. We're going to tap on the share screen and simply also share your device audio if you want, and tap on this continue, and now tap on this start now, and now simply turn this, and now you can see you're sharing your screen with everyone. And now we can go ahead, use our phone as we would like, and the other person will be able to see our screen or our activity just right over there. And if you want to stop it, you can simply tap on the stop sharing and our sharing will be closed. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.